Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. As I promised that I was gonna make a video of this using this Graco Magnum X7. Today I'm trying to paint a room in one of my DIY projects, and I'm using this Graco today to do that. So here it is in action, and the Graco is plugged into the wall back there, and this is the cable, the hose, and I'm gonna be spraying that wall right there. Stick around and watch me do this, and I hope you like it. And if you do, please subscribe. I'm gonna be switching one of these nozzles. Right now I'm using this small one right here, but I need to switch it to this one right here because I'm gonna be spraying up on the top. And to move this is pretty easy, just like I screw it. This comes out pretty easy like that. All right, and then I just plug in the new one. This one over here, the long one. And then I'll use that one. There's a shorter version of this, maybe half of this, but I like this because sometimes I have to paint longer ceilings. There it is. And once you plug it in, you just have to make sure that this is set right. Same idea with the front there. There it is. And then, if you see here, there's like two sections of this. This one that shows the spray right here, I don't know if you can see. That's where you turn this thing around. So right now, if I spray, we're just spraying like a straight shot, like a hose. But if I turn it around, you have to turn this around the other way. Yeah, there it is. So it turns around like, oops, like that. This needs to face that way. And then I would just screw this on here. I haven't used it in a while, so it's kind of weird. Doesn't want to go. There we go. There it is. So now I'm good to go. And this side is tight enough. And it's already been primed, so I just need to spray. All right, and here we go. So I'm not a pro in this, but I'm learning as I go. I've done maybe used this maybe 3 times, but every time I use this, I feel like I'm learning and I'm getting the hang of it. So don't judge me. Everybody has a first time for everything. So I'm gonna be removing this window, so I don't mind if it gets some paint on it. I'm installing a new one on here. Yeah, that looks good. So there it is. That's how this thing works. All right, I got the walls finished, so painted, using my Graco X7. There it is. Everything looks clean and sharp. I even feel like it's more echoey now than it was. And I did painted this closet. I got a very large closet. Looks so clean. I love it. Looks so nice. There it is, guys. There it is. Looks really nice. Graco X7. There it is. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that helped you make a decision to buy yours. Alright, have a good one. Subscribe and hit that thumb. Bye bye.